Solve a quadratic equation by graphing. I explain the concept and I demonstrate the process with an example. Just sharing some of my Algebra 1 credentials to boost your confidence in me. The concept of solving a quadratic equation with the graphing method is related to solving a system of equations by graphing. What I share is based on having or making an equation equal to 0. Please note this method can be used to solve any quadratic equation. You may run into difficulties selecting the best intervals for your graph, and you may have to estimate your solution. You can verify your solution with algebra. All quadratic equations can be solved by graphing. The graph yields one of these three results. No solution, because it is entirely above or below the x-axis. You can see that with the green function. One solution when it touches but does not cross the x-axis. You can see that with the blue function. Or two solutions if it intersects the x-axis at two unique points, and that is demonstrated with the red function. Here is an example. Solve by graphing. X squared plus 7x minus 8 equals 0. Please pause the video to attempt on your own. I hope you share your results in the comments section. Let's find key points to begin our graph. Start with the axis of symmetry. The formula for the axis of symmetry is x equals the opposite of b divided by 2a. Plugging in the a and b values, we find that x equals negative 3.5 is the axis of symmetry. The vertex is located on the axis of symmetry. Using x equals negative 3.5 in the equation, we get y equals negative 20.25. So the vertex is located at negative 3.5, comma, negative 20.25. Proceeding from there, I can readily find the y-intercept looking at the c value. So plot the point 0, comma, negative 8, because the c value is negative 8. With symmetry, I know that negative 7, comma, negative 8 is also a point on the graph. That point is symmetrical to the y-intercept. It looks like x equals 1 and x equals negative 8 are good selections for my next points, going to the right and going to the left of what I currently have. Additionally, I could use 2 and negative 9. I could use those if necessary or just for practice. Now, when I used 1 and negative 8 for x values, the result was 0. Those will be the x-intercepts, and they will be the solutions of this equation. All right, here's the graph. We will see the solutions are the x-intercept values, which are x equals negative 8 and x equals 1. Please contact me to connect with me. What content do you want uploaded? I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.